We are just beginning to learn the long-term effects of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These chemical compounds emit significant gases that can adversely affect the environment and human health. Each year, more than 1,000 VOC-releasing products are introduced to the marketplace and into our environment. This is why our MAS emissions testing program is so important. Only products that pass our stringent tests can display the MAS certified green logo.
VOCs affect our health through long-term exposure to the VOCs, either through furniture, carpeting. As we breathe those in, they can affect the lungs, eyes, the nose, mucous membranes over time. A lot of it's associated with what a lot of people call the new car smell.
Problems in breathing, irritation of the skin, and watering of the eyes are a good indication that you may be in the presence of very high VOCs in the air.
Long-term exposure to VOCs could potentially lead to adverse health effects, potentially cancer.
One doesn't always know if VOCs are actively being released from a product, hence the reason that we test the products.
They tend to diminish over time from a product, so the longer you're able to maybe air out a product, so to speak, before you're actually in close contact with it, maybe the better off you are.
The way we identify VOCs coming off of a product is we collect air samples within the vicinity of that product.
Whatever it might be that could potentially release the VOCs, we'll place them in our chamber, we'll conduct a series of tests and find out exactly what's released.
We are able to identify individual compounds and the concentrations of those compounds. Those measurements are then compared to several measurements collected over a period of time to create an emission profile. An emission profile is used to extrapolate what the concentration of VOCs coming off of a product in a given room would be. And so to determine that, we model those emissions from the tested product in a chamber to a specific room size, to a specific ventilation rate, and to a specific quantity of that product. And that concentration is then compared to standards that are generated to both improve indoor air quality and help to address health effects.
Today, many businesses and organizations require emissions testing. Our MAS certified green program rigorously tests and certifies compliant products meeting these low VOC limits, ensuring indoor air quality in our offices, homes, and schools. Visit www.mascertifiedgreen.com or contact us at 770-866-3206 for more information.